All right, now that we have the base of our sauce done, we're going to get ready to do our shrimp. We're going to bring our shrimp and we're going to leave it right here in this bowl so we don't contaminate this, because we're still going to cut other things on this board. And we're going to take a small container, and that's what we're going to put our shells in. Because we're dealing with shrimp and we're concerned about cross-contamination, we're going to put on a pair of gloves to make sure that nothing but these two pans come in contact with the shrimp. Alright, now there's a few ways to peel shrimp. You can grab here where the legs are and pull off, and then grab the top and pull. You can start here in the back and run your finger down and then peel and grab the top. Another way is to lay it flat on its side and just grab one side and then peel around. Or you can just go ahead and make a hole anywhere and grab that. As you can see, all of these methods work equally as well. Now, if you were going to go ahead and poach these shrimp and then serve them with, say, a cocktail sauce, you'd want to leave this part on, because that will give something hard to grip when you're dipping in, but we're not doing that. Since we take the last one off, we want to check the underside to see if there are any black or brown pieces in here. If there are, you want to clean those out, but these all seem to be fairly clean. Now that we have these all done, we're going to discard our shells. We're going to grab our gloves from the base and pull forward, and in that way we have contaminated no other surface.